So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first step is to just navigate to settings. And then once you're in settings, you're going to scroll and select the option location. Under location, you're then going to tap on location services. And then from here, you want to scroll down until you find improve accuracy. You should see these options, Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. So these are two features that simply allow your phone to automatically detect any nearby Wi-Fi and Bluetooth devices without you needing to scan for them manually. But if you want to disable these two features, then what you're going to do is just tap on the toggle like that, and they'll be turned off. If you want to turn them on, you can just go ahead and tap on the toggles and they'll be turned on. And so that's how you can enable or disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning on your Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.